Twilight's embrace, where dreams collide. We stand on the edge, with nothing to hide. The winds of change are whispering low. With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll wear our crowns. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl and spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens, beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And reaching for the heavens, beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat, we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined, like stars in the night, we'll chase our forever until the morning light. We're reaching for the heavens, beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. So here's to the journeys, the past yet to find. Will every step forward we leave here behind. In the tapestry of moments,
in the quiet of the evening glow, where shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates, but we'll shatter the limits. We'll rewrite the rules with the heart of a lion. We'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest nights, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may challenge, but we'll never fall. With the strength of our dreams, we can conquer it all. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud. In the choir of the brave, let's stand proud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter's a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storm. promise of forever. We're lost in the night, in the warmth of your love. Everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the moments, to the love that we share. In the tapestry of life, I'll always find you there. With every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, my darling, is where our love lies. In your eyes, my love forever will be. In the story of us, you're my every. In the quiet of the evening glow, where shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road